was looking for a dresser for my bedroom, and I needed something that was a little inexpensive. So I found this fabric chest of drawers. It actually has a wood top, and the drawers have a fabric finish that looks like wood. And I thought it was really cool. It's metal in between, and the drawers pull out. They're real easy. This is real easy to put together. These just fold, and there's plenty of room. As long as you don't overstuff the drawers, they will stay in place and slide in and out very nicely. If you overstuff the drawers, which I have one at the bottom here that's a little overstuffed, it's a little bit harder to pull out, like not pull out so much as to push back. But I highly recommend this if you're looking for an inexpensive piece of furniture that looks nice, is sturdy, and you don't want to spend a lot of money.